Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the fundamentals. Reboot and enter BIOS or UEFI, then verify your primary drive is detected and set first in boot order. Once done, make sure Secure Boot is disabled only if your recovery media needs it, because that can block unsigned loaders. Prepare a bootable USB or DVD with the correct OS image. Use Rufus or the vendor tool, so you can boot recovery tools immediately. This prevents wasted time chasing false hardware failures. Now you repair the bootloader. Boot from your prepared media and choose Repair or Open a terminal. For Windows, run bootrec commands. Start with /fixember and /fixboot, then /scanos and /rebuild to restore the Windows boot configuration. For Linux, mount the root partition, CRUD into it, and reinstall grub to the correct device like /dev/sda, then update grub so entries are regenerated. These steps rewrite the chain that points the firmware to your OS, which fixes most operating system not found errors. Finish by removing the install media and rebooting to test whether the system boots into your OS. If it does, verify system files and update the bootloader backup. If it still fails, inspect partition flags, make sure the partition is marked boot/EFI, and run file system checks like chkdsk or fsck to repair corruption. If problems persist, run smart diagnostics and hardware tests because a failing drive often mimics boot errors. Replace the drive if smart shows critical faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.